Did you know that the demand for data entry job is skyrocketing with thousands of remote positions available right now? And guess what?
What?
Some of these jobs can pay up to $32 per hour. If you are looking for an easy way to earn money from the comfort of your home, come with me. You wouldn't want to miss this. Welcome back, lovelies, to this channel. Today, I've got an awesome opportunity for you. How does it feel earning up to $32 per hour doing simple data entry job? I'll show you a company that is currently hiring and walk you through the application process. And at the end of this video, I'll leave a link to the job listing so you can click to apply right away. Sit tight and let's dive in. Virtual assistant jobs can make this happen for you. But wait, before you click away because you think you might not have the skills, trust me, you're probably more qualified than you realize. Look at this website, guy. 24/7. This is a game changer in the world of virtual assistants. And they are not paying me. It's not a paid promo. I'm bringing this to you because yours truly did her due diligence. Okay. This company right here, they provide limitless opportunity to virtual assistants and remote job seeker worldwide. Lovelace, my strong suggestion will be to create an account with them if you are interested in virtual assistant and go through these job openings. If it's coming together for you, if you are interested in applying, let me know in the comment section. Okay, this company has part-time, full-time job. They have clients for all over the world as they're gonna match you with the right employer. They don't charge any placement fee, no processing fee, guys. Various positions available. Right now, let's take a look at one of the openings right here and what it takes to land yourself one of these high-paying gigs. Taking a look at the current openings at 24/7, like I told you guys, this company, it's a game changer. Country, it's any country. Be you in Africa, in Asia, American, any country. Location is any location. Remote, fully remote here, guys. And nothing is stopping you from hopping on this website to explore they have and know what might interest you at this time. Okay, look at this. They have job for Amazon, TikTok, digital marketing, medical biller, SEO content writer, social media marketing, bilingual. They have content graphic, they have telehealth, they have bilingual sales virtual assistant, they have marketing, they have customer service, they have insurance application, they have business support, they have e-commerce, real estate acquisition, they have social media. Guys, all these are all remote. We're talking about jobs you can do from the content of your home. Virtual assistant job, okay? They have operation managers, appointment setting, bilingual or non-bilingual. They have tons. Personal assistant, e-commerce. These are lots of job opportunities that you can take advantage of, okay? My lovelies, I would like if you can hop on here and check it out yourself. Let's take a look at one of these jobs openings and see what the requirement is, what's the responsibility, and what they bring to the table, what's their offer for you. Right now, we can look at this. This says TikTok, Google, My Business Manager. Okay, and then let's click open on this job. Right here, we're gonna see if you already create an account with them, you will upload your resume first, okay, and then click apply to the position. Meanwhile, let's take a look at what the requirement is, what the responsibilities, and what they offer. Required service is marketing. Requested experience tier level is junior, okay. Minimum hours per week is 40 hours, guys. Okay, shift time zone is Pacific. Shift hours is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Shift days Monday to Friday. And number of virtual assistant for this role is 1. Okay. And then preference, gender preference, it doesn't matter. Language spoken English. Accent preference, it doesn't matter if you have any of the accents, it doesn't matter to them. Region preference, it doesn't matter, guys. So you can be in any of the regions and do this job. Going to requirements, what do they require in order for you to qualify for this job? They said explain brand-based and strategic content creation, editing and organizing, and sales funnel. Okay. Show proven track record in social media organic lead generation, conversion via KPI applicant has accomplished. Skills needed: excellent verbal and written communication, overcome objection, problem solving, work independently and as a part of a team. Organizational skills, ability to multitask and prioritize and follow instruction. Consistent punctuality in meetings and deliverables. Ability to learn and retain. Speak conventional and proper American English. Experience with scripts. Objections handling, sales relationship calling, not customer service. Okay. And they said establish expectation management for self and to teammates. Problem solving, prioritize, prove a good internet connection, understand and can explain. All of this write-up, guys, boils down to 3 things: your ability to learn and retain what you have learned, and be able to learn. Have your internet connection, have your mobile phone, your laptops where to do the job, and be available for 40 hours. This is not a high tier levels. This is junior level. It's junior level responsibilities. We're moving on there. Do the daily, weekly, and monthly activities assigned. Okay. And then this position is for TikTok and Google My Business opening. Digital lead, nurturing DMs, Warfield engagement. Look at this, guys. And this is what you do for fun on your phone. Don't mind me. Okay, meet assigned targets for profitable sales and all of that. That's not a lot. Okay, clearly communicate the progress of monthly and quarterly initiatives to team meeting. And then what they offer. Okay, if you join this company, this amazing company, you have competitive rates, you have weekly payments, you have annual rate increase based on performance, you have paid time off, you have paid holidays, you have various open roles available, you have free training and upscaling, you have constant support, you have guidance from managers and mentors. So you're not going to be by yourself, okay? You have clear schedules and guidelines. There is a vibrant community always ready to support you, and so much more. If you have what it takes, guys, jump on this job opening right now, and I'm wishing you all the best. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to WellPurse TV for more tips on side hustles or things remote work. Drop a comment below if you're diving into this virtual assistant world or if you have questions. Until next time, keep dreaming big, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.